千田さんもそうですよ。バックから逃げるだけ考えずにマウント上げてもいいんですよ。バックから出る練習なんで。いいですね。Come on, Dave, stay. Come on, Dave, stay on his back.
I know.
You need to be square on his back.
I know.
He's strong. Once he's like get the angle, he's just gonna pull you out. And you need to get the more neck pressure, dude. His grip is so strong. That's why, dude. You gotta do hand fight against him. You can't just let him grab that thing. Switch the arm and get his neck. And make him pressure. Time. Switch.